Welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, the phone that's been considered better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The only problem is it's running a Chinese ROM on Android 16. All right, so you can see this is powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. It's a 17 Pro Max, co-engineered with Leica for the cameras. It's a Xiaomi at the end of the day. So that's what the box looks like. Let's get inside this box and see what comes inside the box of this phone. Right, this brand new phone that has taken the internet by storm. Let's have a quick look. My knife is not nearby. Let me find it. It's the longest box I've ever unboxed on this channel. That box is so long. Look at it. It's really long. I've tried to put the camera as high as possible, but it's still a bit long. Anyway, so doesn't look like there are any security tabs here. So I think I'll just pick up the front part, the top cover of the box. And then we have a SIM ejector tool. So at least we know we have a physical SIM tray. And we also have a clear case. So there's a free case inside the box. There should be nothing else in there. So we do have a case, that's a plus. At the bottom here, we have a 100-watt charger. Okay, so this 100-watt charging brick with a type A connector. So that should be fun. And we have a cable here that I'm assuming is type A to type C. Should be at the very least. Yeah, so it's a type C cable with that orange accent right there. And the other side is type A. Again, with the orange accent. The cable itself is white. So that's it. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. I'm just going to put everything else to the side so we can have a proper look at this iPhone 17 Pro Max killer. Right, here we are. So there's the first look at the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. You can see the Leica branding at the bottom there. This is where we have what I think is the ultra wide camera. Then we have the Xiaomi branding there. We have the volume rockers on the right hand side, the power button, type C port, the SIM tray at the bottom. We have that microphone, a downward firing speaker. We should have another firing speaker here. No buttons on the left hand side. And of course, we all know this is a display. We'll see that when we turn this phone on. But just a quick comparison with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Right there. They are more or less the same height. And then let's have a look at the width. Again, more or less the same width. Thickness should be just about the same as well. And of course, on both, we have the camera plateau. But for the Xiaomi phone, of course, we have, this is a display. Okay. So yeah. So that's basically the unboxing experience of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. And that's what comes inside the box. In the next video, I'll be turning this phone on for the first time and setting it up. So stay tuned for that. Good luck.